What conventions or events for cosplay have you been to?
I went to so many conventions in these years, and some of them are very important in Italy and also all over the world or Europe, like the Festa dell'Unicorno, Lucca Comics and Games, San Marino Comics. But I mainly go to the local conventions with my friends. They are smaller but also amazing. I'm so lucky because in my region there are conventions almost every week. There are so many events. I would like to double myself to go everywhere, but I never been at a convention out of my country, and I would really like to do it one day.
Maybe one day. How many conventions have you been to, do you think?
Oh my God, this is a hard question because there are so many every year. Obviously, not these 2 years, but there are so many conventions in this year.
I know some people, they've only gone to
Mm,
10 conventions in their life.
mm.
Some people go to 10 conventions in a year. It's just about what's available to you and how much money you're willing to spend.
uh, as I said, I'm very lucky because the convention are near my house, pretty near my house, or something. Sometimes I have some benefits to go to conventions, like the train ticket or the hotel. Uh, so this is a good thing. But I probably go to maybe 4 convention a month, more or
Wow.
less.
So many.
Sometimes two, sometimes three. So many, yes.
You're very lucky. Do you always cosplay when you go to conventions?
Yes, yes, because I think that it's the best part of convention. Maybe 1 or 2 days. Uh, if a convention during more days, I think that I make one day with normal dress and the other day with cosplay because maybe I want to make to buy some things or just to have some fun.